So a couple of weeks ago I bought a gimbal. There it is there, and I used it for the first time at the ROT 10-year anniversary because some of the handheld stuff I did, I'd always get shake, so I'm trying to eliminate that. And this was just an experiment to see what it was like on the bike. Where are you going? Hello! It's absolute crap. Ah, that's better. So yeah, I bought the gimbal. It works really well as a handheld device, but I don't think it likes being mounted there. I have seen evidence to the contrary though, so I'm going to have a bit more of an experiment with it. I had that on follow, maybe I should have had it on pan, I don't know. No, I had it on lock, maybe I should have had it on follow or pan, don't know. I'll more experiments. So let's talk about Bunnings. Bunnings is an institution in Australia. It's a hardware store, and they sell a pretty good range of products. But the one thing that they are known for is their sausage sizzles. So just to fill you in, if you're not from Australia, there is nothing more Australian than a sausage cooked on a barbecue on a piece of bread with onions and either tomato sauce or barbecue sauce, depending on what your flavour is. Now, Bunnings help local community sporting groups and charity fundraisers where you can set up and cook your sausages and sell them at the Bunnings warehouse. And some people actually just go to Bunnings to get a sausage on bread. But now there's been a bit of a problem. It turns out some snoozer up in Queensland, a farmer in, I think he went into one of the Bunnings in Gympie or something, here we are, Bunnings warehouse, and he slipped on a piece of onion on the floor and fell down and injured himself. Now, instead of dusting himself off like a flaming true Australian, he's now flaming affected every single one of us, because now there's new rules on how they have to serve said sausage and bread. In order, cop this, in order to prevent the dropping of onions to the floor, the CEO of Bunnings has now mandated that the sausage has to go on top. Now, how un-Australian is that? Sausage on top. The onions go on the top. If you want the onions to stop falling to the floor, you just pour on more sauce. Or you just shove the whole thing down your gob really quickly, so it doesn't have time to fall. So let's go get a sausage and check it out. There you go. Oh, one sausage with onion, thanks.
That's $2.50, thank you.
I think we got the... Oh, white, thank you. Whole meal. Goodness me.
With onion, wasn't it?
Yes, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Alright, there you go, viewers. They've done it. The bastards put the onion on the bottom, and there's only a tiny little bit of onion, whereas it normally would be piled on top. I'll tell you, it's just not the same. I like my onions on the top. So there you go, that's what we've been reduced to. Thanks whoever you were, Gimpwit. You have ruined Australia. Australia will never recover from this. It's a complete travesty. And Bunnings, you should be ashamed of yourself. Setting the bar so low. You do a lot of things well, but man, you got that one wrong. Well, that's it, I'm going home in disgust. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us what you think in the comments. I think Bunnings should eat a